We're gonna start with the $50 game, and the
What's
game.
the thing on the bottom board?
What
What is this?
This?
No, on here. What is this thing?
This is timer.
Oh, it's a timer. Okay.
Can I go grab my Milwaukee?
Yeah. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
You know, I had to park like 3 miles down the road. Walking all the way out there.
To get your Ryobi?
It's a Cobalt.
Cobalt, that's right. Cobalt. Who wants to go first?
What's the objective?
So here's how it's gonna go.
How many
Yeah.
are you driving?
You're driving 5. 5 screws.
All right,
Are
I'll
they
go
going to be the
first.
same length?
Here's how you got to do it. So the screws are on this side, and you can't go into existing holes. Okay? So you start here. See this button, that little button right here? You have to start, hit that, boom, pick it up, drill in.
I just went into an existing hole.
I did it as an example. Once it's in, all of them are in, you hit that button and it stops. Okay? That's your time. All right.
Everything on the deck. Let's go, Stu. Here we go. Ready?
"28 seconds, that's pretty good. That was really good. Dustin. Nice, 18 seconds.
What we should do is before you start the contest, you should have one. You've already blown it, man.
Don't.
No,
27.
18.
27.
Giving you a run for your money.
Uh-oh.
Trying the same thing. Cost him 1 second. 19 seconds. Got it.
21.
21.
Hey,
21 seconds.
it's way faster with
a hammer, isn't it, buddy?
Huh? Yeah, faster with this. Not the LVL with the screws in them.
The drywall.
Rafi.
Oh.
22. You gave it. You had it 4 seconds before you started. You hit it, and then you waited 4 seconds. All right.
You know what? I don't really go for velocity. I go for quality.
All right. Where's my? You guys took all the spots. Okay, you ready? Ah!
Oh, that just cost him the game. He fell down on the last hurdle.
24.
Put the third one in there.
And this one didn't even get in there. There. 24.
Walking home to $50.
17.
You got 17?
Yeah. Barely. Go get the Cobalt.
Fully beats it.
I'm walking all the way out there.
I'll go get it. Where's it at? Oh, hey, get your tool, get your driver. It's all right. I have one. Run. Okay, we're gonna Try Cobalt. Ooh, he found a seam on that one.
Dirty dog.
Oh, it's a dirty dog. It's two dirty dogs.
Dirty dogs. Oh, it's off.
0 seconds. You know, it is solving. It is solving because this is like the compact series.
Okay.
You know, this is like their latest one. That thing is way better than this. Not even a question.
Look how small it is, too.
There's a Dewalt that has different speeds right here too. That one's fast.
Yeah, that one's a
Kinda
good.
like Bobby's deal.
Oh, is it? Oh, maybe there's a better one.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, there's a better one.
Seconds.
Woo!
Cool,
19.
On your mark. Get set.
You gotta go fast, Josh. Let's go. Go.
Slow as molasses. Look at which way go.
Oh, he didn't bother one.
20 seconds.
He didn't even bother it.
Dude,
Yeah, he did.
how did you get 18, man?
I don't think you can do it again.
I bet he can do it again.
Hey, you want to play?
No.
50 bucks.
You can beat Dustin.
18 seconds.
Well, there you have it. $50 seemed to be sufficient motivation for Sierra to play.
You want that tool? You want the
Hold on,
Milwaukee?
I'm just asking, do I like, is it like start, go, pick up?
Yeah, no, you have this thing right here.
Timer. You get 5 screws.
Just do 3 screws. Do 3.
All right, 3.
I really don't even know if I'll be successful. I tried this out like Home Depot and I can't do it.
You know,
We'll do like a military. and
Is
then
there a
we'll
trick
roll
to
the
it?
standards.
here,
I
here
always
we go.
wondered why I can't do it.
Pulls. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay. I thought
Drive one
it really gets hot.
practice screw.
Do these ones. Oh, you okay?
Well, I mean, I might as well just go, right?
Yeah.
Is it better to?
You gotta kind of grab it close to
Got it.
Whoa. Okay, wait. Now you have to do it for reals. That was a practice. Okay, put it down. She's gonna do 3. I can't. We can't let her do 5 because she might beat us. Okay.
Can I not use these ones? Are
You
they
can.
not good
Do you want to
anymore?
use? Do you want to do 5? Do you want to do what we did?
Yeah, do 5.
Okay, do 5. Okay.
I don't tee off the girls' tee.
Okay. So you push this button, pick it up, you grab your screws, and screw it.
Did you guys start from scratch like that?
No.
Oh, okay. I can do
No.
it.
Okay.
Bob doing Bob things?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Bob's the builder. That's who you are.
Never been called that one.
6. Shoot.
Are you going? Is the clock running?
Clock is going. Whoa.
Nice. There you go. Slow down. Slow down.
Hey, Leonard, you can't help her. Nice, Sierra.
She's almost getting off the ground.
Oh yeah, grind them gears.
Okay, put it down. Nice. 28 seconds. That's a new record. That is a new record. Dan, you want to try?
No, come on.
Come on, Dan.
I did it.
Come on, Dan. Attaboy. Yes.
Dan also seemed to be motivated by a $50 prize.
Okay, I didn't say go. Oh, yep, you're going now.
Well, no. Forget
Okay,
this.
all right,
I'll do
ready?
my own thing.
Okay, hurry, let's go. Okay, he's going. Okay.
Sierra, how'd you do this?
I had to practice.
Oh, you drove it all the way through the first block.
That was straight to the table.
Nice. Oh, that's solid.
Uh-oh. I'm afraid Sierra's beat you already.
Well, if I lose to Sierra, there's nothing new. 30. 2.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Nice job.
It's going to be permanently.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our episode of Our Planet. Our episode of Madsen Homes. Stick around and we will see you next week.